In this video, I will show you how to set up and accept credit card payments in EstimateRocket. Let's start by connecting EstimateRocket to your Stripe account. Stripe is the company that will securely process payments and deposit the funds into your bank account. Start by going to Settings, Payment Processing. Once on the payment processing screen, select the Connect with Stripe button. This will take you to the Stripe setup page where you will enter in your information that will allow Stripe to seamlessly deposit payments into your bank account. Some things you'll need to know are which type of company you are, a sole proprietor, corporation, or LLC. The tax ID for a sole proprietorship will be your social security number, and for the corporation it will be your federal EIN number or tax ID. You'll also need the bank routing number and account number that you want the funds deposited into. This can be found at the bottom of your checks. When you're asked for your email address and password to create your account, it is critical that you double check your email address you entered to make sure that it is correct. It is also critical that you use a truly secure password for this service. If you don't already have a password management tool, I highly recommend LastPass, which you can find at lastpass.com. Once you have completed the form, select the Enable Payment Processing button. You can enable or disable this feature at any time, which will add or remove the Pay with Card option from the customer portal. Now that we have it all set up, let's take a look at how it all works. Let's open up a project that is in the invoice stage and send a final invoice to the customer. Select the Plus Invoice button and then select Final Invoice from the drop-down. You'll also notice that we can create other types of invoices from here as well. I'm going to make this invoice for the remaining amount of the project, but you can also do a percentage or a custom amount as well. Once we have created the invoice, we have a number of options to choose from on the drop-down menu. You can view it, email it, open it in the customer portal, or edit it. The Pay with Card option can be used if your client wants to give you payment information over the phone. Now let's email this to the customer. Be sure to check that you have the customer portal link in the body of your email, or else the customer will not be able to view the invoice. If you do not see this, we have included a link in the video description that will take you to our support page where you can copy and paste the customer portal tag into your email template. When the customer clicks the link to the portal, they will be shown the invoice with an additional button that will allow them to pay with their credit card. There's also a button inside the document as well. Once paid, we can see on the project screen that a payment has been automatically created and the invoice is marked as paid. You'll also receive an email confirming this as well. The payment will have a reference number that will be a link that will take you to the transaction details in the Stripe console. Here you can issue refunds and view other details about the transaction right in your Stripe account. If you want to check on payouts or deposits to your bank account, simply select Payouts from the menu on the left-hand side. Now that covers the fundamentals of accepting payments from your customers seamlessly through EstimateRocket. We believe it will help you streamline your payment and cash collection process and reduce your administration work for the processing of the cash receipts. If you have any questions or need help setting up payment processing or your Stripe account, please don't hesitate to call or email us. Our superhuman success team is ready to help.